there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and my dog Honey and I want to tell you how much we love these dog wipes. These dog wipes from Pogi's are plant-based but have a fantastic scent. Now I have them in the green tea leaf scent. It's light, it's not overpowering, it's just enough. So I use these whenever I can't give Honey a bath. She does not love a bath, but I need sometimes just to freshen her up, and these work so great at keeping her clean and deodorized. I especially like to use these on her feet. So not only are there lots of messy things that she steps in when we take our daily walks, sometimes she might get in something that I want to make sure I am cleaning her feet because she licks them a lot. And this has really helped me make sure that the bottom of her feet is clean, so there's no dirt or maybe pesticides or anything unpleasant that she might be walking in. She's not getting that and not ingesting it, and she's certainly not walking it through the house. The bag that you dispense them from stays sealed so they don't dry out. And I'm just really happy that I can get a gentle cleaning wipe for Honey, and I can use it all over, and I don't have to worry about the ingredients. She does not have any problems with them. She doesn't dislike them, and she dislikes a lot of things. So if they work on Honey, if they work on my dog, then I definitely think they'll work on yours. You should totally give them a try. And that is our point of view.